Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how to make a Crochet Mini Square Motif, which can be utilized in many different areas. I hope this video will be useful for you. You can use this square for items like crochet baby blankets, crochet bed sheets, crochet tablecloths. It can also be used for crochet tablecloth runners, crochet shawls, or scarves. I will be using Alize Cotton Gold yarn for the demonstration. Crochet number is 2.5 mm. If you're ready, let's get started. Chain 4, then double crochet into the circle. Chain 1, then double crochet into the circle. Make a total of 8 spaces inside the circle, with 1 chain in between each. I have now made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. For the 8th space, chain 1, then a slip stitch to the top of the 3rd chain. You can start from any space. Chain 3, then a puff stitch in the same space. Chain 3, then a puff stitch in the next space. Make a puff stitch in all the spaces with 3 chains between them, a total of 8 puffs. Chain 3, then a slip stitch to the top of the first puff. You can start from between any 2 puffs. Chain 3, then 3 double crochets in the same space. Chain 2, then 4 double crochets in the same space. First corner, chain 3, skip a space, 4 double crochets, chain 2, 4 double crochets, second corner. Chain 3, skip a space. 4 double crochets, chain 2, 4 double crochets, third corner. Continue to the end of the row. Chain 3, then a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. You can start from any corner. Chain 3, double crochet into the same space, chain 2, then 2 double crochets, four double crochets side by side on top of the 4 crochets below. Three treble crochets between 2 puffs. Four double crochets side by side on top of the 4 crochets below. For the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, then 2 double crochets. Four double crochets side by side on top of the 4 crochets below. 3 treble crochets between 2 puffs. 4 double crochets side by side on top of the 4 crochets below. Repeat the procedures of the first side to the end of the row. Slip stitch to the top of the first chain. We will do the last row. You can start from the top of any stitch. Chain 1, then single crochet on top of each stitch until the corner. For the corner, 5 single crochets. Skip the first crochet, then single crochet until the next corner. We skipped the first crochet, single crochet on top of the last crochet. For the corner, 5 single crochets. Skip the first crochet, single crochet until the corner. Don't forget to make a single crochet on top of the last stitch. Continue to the end of the row. That's all I have to say in this video. I hope it has been a useful video for you. See you in the next training video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Goodbye.